are here at the Oasis of Hope Center, and I'm launching Roshawn Nicole Wellness and Education Consulting. And today we have 12 amazing vendors, local vendors throughout the community, wellness vendors, beauty and health vendors, and I'm super excited to get a chance to make some connections and network. We also have a host lunch here from Marlene's, a lot of healthy choices here today. And I also will be sharing on how I went from burnout to harmony in my presentation today. And I'm super excited to share to the community how I can help them, whether if it's individually or in corporate setting with burnout recovery and burnout prevention. So I'm excited for my event today, and we are just having a blast. I am a certified holistic health practitioner, and my niche is burnout prevention and burnout recovery. I love to support individuals one-on-one, whether it's preventative or overcoming burnout, and that's one-on-one clients or schools and organizations. We would work together either a month or 3 months or 6 months, depending on the program. The whole point is for accountability and also for sustainability. So that's just a passion of mine. I was in the classroom, I suffered with burnout, I suffered with anxiety, depression, and I'm here to help others, and I'm super excited to launch my business.